Toro cordless electric lawn mower will not charge. The battery and charger have been replaced and still does not charge.
What's the make and model of the mower? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
It is a Toro model number 20360, 5 to 6 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
So far I have had the work done by a shop that replaced the battery and charger.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
They also replaced the motor and shaft before the charging problem started.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Do you have a voltmeter to test the charger? With charger plugged in, it should have voltage output before it is attached to battery. If it has voltage above battery voltage, it should charge battery. If it does not have output above battery pack, it will not charge. This being a 36-volt mower, charger has to put out over 36 volts. Then plug charger to the battery pack, and probe the battery cables and see if the voltage rises when charger is attached.
I tested the charger with my multimeter. It bounced between 12 and 0. I checked the output and it was about 120. It sounds like a problem with the charger, but it is new, so I will borrow my son-in-law's charger for the same lawnmower tonight and see if it charges. If so, it looks like the charger that I bought is defective.
Okay.
The charger is the Toro product for this lawnmower.
Then it is 36 volt, but on the charger should be a tag showing input and output voltage.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.